Hey kids, welcome to story time. Today we're reading Olivia Forms a Band. Olivia couldn't find her other red sock. What's the matter? Asked her mother. I can't find my other red sock, said Olivia. What are those all over the floor? They don't go with this one. I found it! Olivia's mother was packing a picnic. I want everyone ready by 7 for the fireworks, she said. And the band, cried Olivia. Oh, I don't think there will be a band, said her mother. But you can't have fireworks without a band, explained Olivia. I know, we'll be the band. Fine, said Olivia. I'll be the band. What kind of band are you thinking of? Asked her mother. A fireworks band, of course. But sweetheart, one person can't be a whole band, said Olivia's mother. Why not? Because the word band means more than one person, and a band sounds like more than one person. This morning you told me I sounded like 5 people. All day long, Olivia gathered everything she needed to make her band. Thank you. Thank you. Look, Daddy, we're twins. Finally, she was finished. All that was left was to choose the perfect outfit. Ping! Tinkle, tinkle, cling, strum, clang, ding, 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 thump, ding, thump, bang, bang, whap. And when she marched in, everyone agreed that Olivia did sound like more than one person. Ding, whistle, pank, pink, pomp, clang, bong, boom, whistle, boom, twink. Ding, 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 clang, dong, ding. To Olivia, she sounded just like a real band. At 7 o'clock, Olivia's mother was trying to get everyone into the car. Olivia, aren't you going to bring your band? She asked. I don't feel like it. Well, don't forget to put everything away, her mother said. Okay, Mommy. Where are you going? I have to put on my makeup, said Olivia. All right, sweetheart, but hurry. Makeup? The final touch. Wipe that glop off of your face, young lady, and get in the car now. Of course, when they got there, Olivia said, Mommy, I have to go to the bathroom. And of course, then Ian said he had to go to the bathroom too. William just went to the bathroom. The sun was setting. They ate sandwiches and corn on the cob and strawberries and watermelon. When are the fireworks going to start? Asked Olivia. When it gets dark, explained her mother. When will it be dark? Soon, sweetheart. Is it dark yet? Almost. Be patient. Now is it dark? Finally, the fireworks started. And they were beautiful. It was very late when everyone got home. Go climb into bed, sweetheart, said Olivia's mother. No books tonight. Aren't you going to come kiss me goodnight? Asked Olivia. In a minute. And don't forget to put your band away. After Ian and William were tucked into bed, Olivia's mother tiptoed into Olivia's room. Clang, bong, boom, boom, twink. Olivia! I told you to put your band away. I could have broken my neck. But Olivia was fast asleep. Thanks for joining us for story time. Happy 4th of July. See you next week.
Continue to learn at home with other great videos from the North Carolina Transportation Museum on Facebook, YouTube, and nctrans.org. The North Carolina Transportation Museum in Spencer is the museum that moves you.